I am learning how to skip, how to skip, how to skip. I am learning how to skip. It's so fun.
Space, line, space. From a line to the next line. That's a skip. That's a skip. Can we play that skip on our bells? Let's see. First line and then skip to the second line. Let's see. First line, skip, second line. Goodbye, old paint. I'm leaving Cheyenne. Sing with me. Goodbye, old paint. I'm leaving Cheyenne. Let's say what the chords are together. Ready? Red, red, yellow, red. Get your pointer finger ready on the red. Here you go. Red,
Sailor, what do you do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises early in the morning. A ring-a-jig-jig and away we go, away we go, away we go. A ring-a-jig-jig and away we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Boom-boora, boom-boora, boom-boora ya tumara, boom-boora ya tumara.
boom,
Monkey.
boom, boom, boom,
Cicada.
boom.
I like bugs, every kind of bug I see. I like the big ones and the fat ones. Hopper, caterpillar, beetle, beetle. Shh! Bugs!
Who's next? I see two parts. Who's that? Beetle. Very good. Oh, there they go. Bye, bugs. Bye, bugs. They ran away, and they only left their notes for us to follow. Here we go. Bug, bug, butterfly, butterfly, grass. I'm going to get one bug and put it right here. See my bug? I'm going to get a different bug and put it right here. See my beetle? I will do bug on this leg. Bug, bug. You will do beetle, beetle on your lap. Beetle. Do you hear the trumpets? I don't know what's happening yet, but it sounds exciting. It's a dog. He jumped over the fence. What's he doing? What is it? Who's coming out of the palace? They want to see. It's the king!